Are you looking for 10 incredible ways to dye your hair naturally at home? Tired of the harsh chemicals and unpredictable results that often accompany commercial hair dyes? Look no further. In this video I'm sharing how to transform your hair color using the wonders of nature, all from the comfort of your own home. These 10 remarkable methods will not only give your hair a fresh, vibrant look but also offer an array of unique benefits. Henna, Lawsonia inermis. How to use: mix henna powder with water to form a paste. Apply it to your hair and leave it on for a few hours. Benefits: henna is a natural plant dye derived from the leaves of the henna plant. When applied, it imparts a vibrant reddish-brown hue to your hair. Henna not only colors your hair beautifully but also acts as a deep conditioner, leaving your hair soft, shiny, and stronger. Coffee, Coffea arabica. How to use: brew strong coffee and cool it. Apply it to your hair and leave it for about an hour. Benefits: coffee is a versatile natural hair dye method. It involves using freshly brewed and cooled coffee to darken your hair. Coffee adds depth and richness to brown hair tones, while also stimulating hair growth and reducing dandruff. Tea, Camellia sinensis. How to use: brew tea, black for dark hair, chamomile for light, and let it cool. Rinse your hair with it. Benefits: tea, whether black or chamomile, is an easy and natural way to enhance your hair color. Black tea darkens hair, while chamomile lightens it. Tea treatments improve hair color and shine. Black tea deepens dark hair, while chamomile offers a gentle lightening effect. Lemon juice, citrus limon. How to use: squeeze fresh lemon juice and apply it to your hair. Sit in the sun for natural lightening. Benefits: lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent. When applied and exposed to sunlight, it can naturally lighten your hair. Lemon juice provides subtle highlights and brightness to your hair while also acting as a scalp cleanser. Chamomile, Matricaria chamomilla. How to use: brew chamomile tea, let it cool, and rinse your hair with it. Benefits: chamomile is known for its soothing properties and its ability to lighten hair naturally. It's particularly effective for those with light hair. Chamomile adds a sun-kissed glow to blonde or light brown hair, providing a gentle and natural lightening effect. Beet juice, Beta vulgaris. How to use: mix beet juice with a carrier oil and apply it to your hair. Benefits: beet juice is a colorful natural dye option that can give your hair a reddish or purplish tint. Beet juice offers a unique and vibrant color while avoiding harsh chemicals commonly found in commercial dyes. Carrot juice, Daucus carota. How to use: apply carrot juice to your hair. Benefits: carrot juice is a natural option for adding subtle reddish tones to light hair. Carrot juice provides a natural and gentle way to enhance the color of blonde or light brown hair with a reddish undertone. Cocoa powder, Theobroma cacao. How to use: mix cocoa powder with yogurt and apply it to your hair. Benefits: cocoa powder, when mixed with yogurt, can darken hair naturally, especially for those with brunette shades. Cocoa powder not only imparts a rich brown hue but also conditions hair, leaving it glossy and soft. Walnut shell powder, Juglans regia. How to use: grind walnut shells into a fine powder, mix with water to form a paste, and apply. Benefits: ground walnut shells can be transformed into a natural hair dye method that darkens your hair with a rich brown color. Walnut shell powder is a chemical-free option for achieving darker hair, and it contributes to hair health. Sage and rosemary, Salvia officinalis and Rosmarinus officinalis. How to use: boil sage and rosemary in water, let it cool, and use it as a rinse. Benefits: boiled sage and rosemary make for an herbal hair rinse that darkens hair while promoting scalp health. Sage and rosemary darken hair naturally, alleviate dandruff, encourage hair growth, and enhance overall hair and scalp health. These natural methods offer a range of color options and benefits while being gentler on your hair compared to chemical dyes. Patience may be required to achieve your desired results, but the rewards include healthier, naturally beautiful hair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos.